Hi everyone, this is Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere with a review of the Derwent Superpoint Manual Pencil Sharpener. Now, this has a durable helical blade that sharpens pencils up to 8 millimeters to a super point for fine detail work. Now, the sharpener can clamp onto the desk or a table with this clamp here, and it stands 5.25 inches high. So let's do a little demonstration of why I think this is a great pencil sharpener. If you're on the market for a new pencil sharpener, you're searching, this may be the one you want to try. I bought this and I really enjoy it. I don't regret it at all. Let me get into a demonstration. This one has, you can hold it at the top. First, let me show you the dullness of the lead. Alright, you see that? So we're going to pinch the clamp together and stick the pencil in. Hold it at the top. And you can pretty much hear and feel when it comes to that sharp point. And it's there. So now I'm going to take it out. And look at that point. Very nice. Now, the only thing that I didn't particularly care for I was concerned about, I'll say it like that, was the amount of pencil this chews up to put that initial super point on. Well, we're going to see how much it actually takes up. I'm going to sharpen it from this end because this is the end that has the name of the color here. This is a French gray 70%. I'm going to sharpen it from this end here. So let's see how much this pencil sharpener actually chews up of this pencil. Put that in again, pinch the clamps together, put it in here, and sharpen. When this gets to the end and touches here, the pencil sharpener is sharp. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. And I want to do a quick comparison of how much pencil the sharpener ate up. And it looks like not that much of all when I put them side by side. They're still the exact same length for the most part. Because the sharpener, the point is right here. And it's still, yeah, it's about the same. So it doesn't eat the pencil up as fast as what I initially thought when I compare the two pencils together. It still has pretty much the same height. So I'm happy with that. This is a great pencil sharpener. One feature that I like about this pencil sharpener is that you can take, you know how you sharpen your pencils and sometimes the lead gets broke off in the blade? Well, with this one, you can easily screw the back of the pencil sharpener handle off and take out the lead. You can see where it is. Just get you a little pin or something and just take that lead out. Put it back in. You can see the notches where it fits in. Line it up. You've got to line it up with the front too. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So you put it in here. Line it up with the mechanism. And then in the front, if you can see, you've got to put the cylinder part right to the hole right there, because if not, it's going to be hitting. You're like, why won't it fit in? And it's because it's not lining up with the opening. So once you line it up, you just twist this back, sharpen another pencil, pinch the edges together, hold it down if you don't want to clamp it to a desk or a table. And you're good to go. Yeah, I really like this pencil sharpener, and if you're on the if you're searching for one, you should check this one out. It's easy to empty too. I didn't show you the tray. You just push it through from the back right here to the front, And then you could dump your shavings, pencil shavings out. Put it back in once it's empty. And there's a stop so it doesn't go through on this side. There's a little metal stop right there. So you can just push it from one side out. And then take it and push it back in. Once again, this is the Derwent Super Point Manual Pencil Sharpener. Very nice. I like it. I would give this a 5-star rating. One of the best pencil sharpeners I've ever had. I had an electric pencil sharpener for quite a while and it stopped working on me. And I thought I'd do a manual this time. And this one, this is a nice one. I give this one a thumbs up. This has been Rita Rue of Creative Artmosphere. If you've gotten this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye for now.